Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Today we're going to go over how we fence an acre and a half of mixed terrain for our soon-to-be delivered cows. What you're looking at here is Google Earth Online. It has some awesome tools built in that allows you to draw polygons and gives you some very valuable data for free. I was able to use this tool to estimate my line lengths, total area, and help with my material planning for barbed wire, T-posts, and other hardware. These are H-posts. Since they're holding all the tension on the wire, they need to be driven deeper and they need to be bigger and thicker than all of your other posts. We salvaged all of these wood posts while clearing the lot for the home and the driveway. This saved us well over $1,500 in timber posts. These big H-posts had to go in almost 48 inches deep in order to hold the extreme tension of these long barbed wire runs. We used cedar posts. Once we had all of our wood posts augured in, we started working on driving all the T-posts. Those are these red and white metal stakes. Again, I was able to use Google Earth to estimate the number of T-posts. After all the T-posts were driven, we started the painful process, literally, of running the barbed wire. These are called fencing pliers, and you can get them at any local hardware store. Here you see me attaching a barbed wire run to an H-post. This is called a wire stretcher, and it took me just a few minutes to figure it out, but we got the hang of it really quick. The barbed wire run went pretty smoothly until I encountered a wet weather stream and some small but abrupt elevation changes. I had to use some old school techniques to match those elevation runs. At the base of any significant elevation drop, you need to anchor a T-post like this shown here. If we weren't to anchor down these lines to follow the contour, over time the upward pressure on the line would work the T-posts up and out, and I'd be fighting to anchor them every single year.